Hello friends, welcome to Literature with Rachna. Today we will do the question answers of the poem Dust of Snow, which is written by the famous poet Robert Lee Frost. So let we go and study question number 1. Question number 1 is, where did the dust of snow come from? And the next, how did it land on the speaker? Two questions are there in one, so we will give the answer like that. The dust of snow came from the hemlock tree by the movement of a crow. Okay, first answer is the dust of snow came from the hemlock tree by the movement of a crow, when the crow moves. And it landed on the speaker because he was sitting under the tree. How did it land on the speaker? It landed on the speaker because he was sitting under the tree. Question number 2. What has the speaker's heart been given? How did it change? It means how was the feelings the speaker was having before and how the feelings were changed. Answer is the poet in the poem Dust of Snow was in a sorrowful mood. First, he was in a sorrowful mood. He was not happy. He was sad. However, when a crow shook down the dust of snow on him, only with this action, his bitter mood changed into more cheerful. His sad mood changed into happy one. Understood? So this is question number 2. Let me go for question number 3. What's question number 3? Which act affected the speaker's mood? Again, see, the question is in a different pattern, so answer will be same as we have given in question number 1, but we will change it. Change the pattern change the sentence formation, how we will give. The dust of snow affected on the poet significantly. Okay? Positively. The poet's sadness changed into happy mood by the movement of a crow on the hemlock tree which was full with the snow. This make a very big impact on the poet. So this is the answer of question number 3. Shall we move on question number 4? Yes. Question number 4 is, describe the scene of falling of dust of snow. What impact does it on the poet? See, dear student, it's very short poem, and that's why they are trying to give you the same answer, the same questions in a different ways. So we need to give the answers like way. Now what will be the answer of this question? First is, in the poem The Dust of Snow, poet was sitting under a hemlock tree. And how was he? He was in a grief and filled with the hopelessness. He was feeling sad. And suddenly, a crow shook down the snowflakes on him. A very small incident happened with him. And what was the incident? That the crow shook down the snowflakes on him. And just because of this, his mood changed and he became happy. Now, second part of the question. So, because of this, the poet is indebted. Indebted means we say grateful to the crow in the poem. Why he is grateful to the crow? Because he did a very small action which not only changed his mood but also gave him the positive way to lead a life. So, because of this, the poet is indebted to the crow. This gives us also a message that sometimes insignificant natural events do bring about changes, Okay, we feel like watching a crow, sitting a crow near us is not good for our fate, but it's not like that. Sometimes these things can change, can give a good change to our life. So we should not be hopeless all the time. We should be very positive. We should be very positive. Let me go and see the last question, and that's very important for all the chapters we are studying, and that is name the poem and the poet. What's the name of the poem? The name of the poem is Dust of Snow. See, dear children, always give capital letter to the first word. First letter of the word will be capital. Dust, D, and snow, S, will be capital. And the poet is Robert Frost. So these are your question and answers. Hope you understood the explanations of today. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting more updates. Thank you. Bye bye.